Students at McNeese State University is bright, especially with their new Industrial Process Control Center lab. The lab not only prepares students for local industry jobs, but to also get their foot in the door to top elite engineering companies. KPLC's Amasirabo shares which ones.
Professor Mitchell Morgan is a retired engineer and a McNeese graduate. He says the students use real equipment at their new engineering lab, and everything seen here is exactly what students will see when they begin working in their industry. The lab has two parts: the process control side.
On the process control side, we have programmable logic controllers, which are PLCs, and they are the process computer that controls it.
And the robotic side.
We teach a beginner robotic, then we teach a second level, which is where you build your own robot, and then the third level is an industrial robots, which is, we purchased these KUKA robots because that's what Tesla uses.
A robot engineering student Caitlin Dion says is helping her connect the dots, drawing her more into the field of engineering.
It's funny to see, I can look at things now and I'm like, oh, I can see the engineering behind that, or I can see where the automation comes into that. You didn't think about it before, but now that you have this background, it's like, oh, I see it.
Learning how to use machines like the KUKA robot, you'll be prepared for jobs at major companies like Tesla, General Motors, and Ford. With a minimum hefty salary of $80,000 to $100,000 straight out of school, you can be a cosmetic engineer, pharmaceutical, chemical, petro, and more. Morgan says sky is the limit.
People helped me get to where I was, and I was able to retire early, and so now I'm here to help them and, make their journey successful.
Amasirabo, 7 News.
McNeese Engineering Week will be on Monday, February 27th at 5:30 p.m. The lab will be open to the public to recruit future engineers.